temperature personnel.
Fish have a kiwi. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Kamforreall, and in today's vlog, we're at Juicy Patties in Maypen. I came here to buy the frozen patties. So if you don't know, Jamaica has these frozen patties in juicy beef, or juicy patties as they call it, and I came to buy one box. Tell me, why is it that we drove here with my brother? Say hello. Hello. And we brought soup, patty, we're sitting down having a jolly good time, and I'm like, Kason, we did not buy the box patty. So we came here for the box patty, and we're just having lunch. But you know what? Life is just for living. Take it easy. After we finish, we're just gonna head back in and buy the box. Yeah. But if you know, then you know that I'm leaving soon, because box patty of it traveling. Well, in my opinion, I don't know about anybody else. Facts, right? So I'm leaving in the next 2 days. Crazy stuff, I can't believe it, but you know, gotta work for that money, girl. Gotta work for that money. So we're heading back, and I'm just buying a few things that I think.
My birthday come on the PS5 and
first of all, your birthday is in October. We're literally in January.
Heads up, do heads up.
Much heads up, yeah, my hair broke from that heads up. So yesterday was my cousin's birthday, so we're gonna link up to them, and I'll try to vlog that. Not even try, I think I'm gonna vlog that. I have enough battery. Do I? Yeah, no, I came prepared.
Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.
Kamforreall, be real. Not enough Jamaica.
You cook one piece and deliver one.
You serious?
What can I do in a juice beef them?
I eat them up.
Fried chicken.
Oh yeah, no.
And bacon. And pot of meat, then don't season everything, right? Just make every bacon.
Oh yeah, no.
Because head chip, then there's something there.
Coconut watts. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Whoever does the purchase, I get a free one. Oh, thank you. Where's the shame? Make sure you can't open. Juicy patty, secure the bag. We have the goods ready. Alright. Vlogs. Look who we have here. It's the birthday girl. Well, belated. It's cute. And look, I know that you may think we planned it, but we did not. Like, I walk upstairs, I saw her holding a shirt, a blouse, and I was like, wait, look what I'm wearing, and then twin. Okay, our driver is still talking to our uncle, so let's just, yeah, all right, we are ready. Say Kamforreall, my people. Wow.
The vibe just dead, look over. Yo, you're trying.
No, guys.
No, you're trying.
Wait.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Right. Maybe turn the AC. Maybe we're too hot.
Yeah.
We'll try again. Right. Let's say Kamforreall, guys. Kamforreall. Better. All right. So now we're heading off to Murray's Jerk Out. What a Jerk Out? Or Jerk Center. One of them. We're gonna have a center? I think so. All right, Jerk Center. I stand corrected. How does it feel to be 22?
Well, I can't lie. With a bunch of unrealized potential, right? I feel like as time progresses and I realize the seriousness of my age, that I will begin to tap in
Preach.
right? I will get a good job. It'd be your own people, guys, but that's fine. And I'll be able to provide for my family, both the new one and the old one, financially and mentally and spiritually.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. We will accept that, and we say that God can do all things. We stand in agreement with sis. We stand in agreement. It's touch an agreement. It's smoking up there.
You have to put it behind us.
I tried, but it wasn't working. Anyways, guys, do you know the LA fire? Let me turn down here. Have a discussion. The LA fire that everyone was talking about, and it was, you know, running rampant on the news and stuff. Hold on, let me fix myself. That is gonna happen in Jamaica very soon. Okay? Because one thing we're gonna do in Jamaica is we're gonna burn that bush. You're gonna burn that bush, and then before you know it, it's gonna just spiral out of control. You heard it here first. I just now drove on this highway. If you could not see it, smoke. But if you take away asthma, can't live there. Cannot. We need to do better. We need to find a better way to dispose of our garbage. Look, I for one not gonna lie to you, we burn the heap on the back sometime because we don't have any other way to dispose of the garbage. NWA.
The vlog, come on, the vlog.
Eh?
The vlog, give him the vlog. Turn it. As a local body, I'm looking for a Gabriella, so the Gabriella's out there just hit me up.
If you watch Fire County, you know what it is. If you don't watch Fire County,
that was funny.
you need to watch that episode, that series
That was
on
funny.
Netflix. People, he's ordering ramen. Why?
Because I've never had it.
But let's try new things, guys.
This is just gonna be gradual. And because of this right here, even if I don't like it, I love it.
You be
rabbit look.
Yeah, guys, okay.
Because we need to enjoy this food and to enjoy this animals.
how would you rate your experience at
I'd
Mars?
have to give it a solid 9.7 out of 10.
Okay, why not? Right, there's a
What?
disagreement. Why? How much would you rate it?
What, the service?
No, overall.
The experience, look at all
Experience.
Alright, the service was definitely a 3 out of 10. The food wasn't bad. The rabbit was kind of on the drier side, so I don't know if you can get one solid 10 either. The festival were good. They had good sides as well. They were fluffy, so I definitely give the food overall a 7.5, 8.
Kendra, what says you?
Mine is still 9.7 because I was out with my cousins and I was just there for the vibes. The vibes
Alright.
was 9.7. If we're talking about the food,
Yeah.
I think, you know, Kason was right because even the jerk chicken was on like the drier side and there wasn't much meat. I told Kamforreall, I don't know why they give us underage chicken,
Oh my god.
What?
but
What?
Jesus.
What? Yo, we can't do this. I'm banning for the place, you know,
Oh.
yo. No, somebody, yo.
Oh, God.
Edit all when we get them a fall. Benefit of the doubt, benefit of the doubt.
Alright.
Let's just call it that. Benefit of the doubt and let's call it that.
Alright, so all in all, we give this entire experience
That you have for sure.
a 8.
yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Done. That is it. Kason, yeah?
Yeah.
Truthfully.
Best thing since
I'm
sliced
probably,
bread.
no, wait. Probably, this is the only time I'm gonna admit it. But we can get princess treatments sometimes. Like, you know, they can cook food for me and such, which I do appreciate. Right? But I do think that it quits out because I did take a lot of beatings for you. And you know what? To
Home
this
sweet
day,
home.
Kason broke the
Yeah.
lampshade. And he started to cry and I felt sorry for him. So then when mommy came home, I said it was me. And I got, we can't say what happened to me, but let's just say
Dealt with, you know?
I got dealt with accordingly. Never, no thank you. Never receive a thank you. How about you thank me now?
You did what you're supposed to do. This is solid duties, even by thanks.
Anyways,
And me put me here for that.
this came in because we were talking about the yes, Mufasa.
Mufasa.
And we said, I always wanted a brother. Don't put your hands on my brother. Don't touch my brother because I say so. How is it?
Brother?
Yeah.
Brother.
Brother.
That's what you said in the movie.
Yeah, brother.
I just wanted a brother.
You watched it, it was okay.
I
It was
slept
worth,
through most of it.
it was worth the watch.
I watched it beforehand on an illegal website.
Wow. Wow.
So I
wow.
slept up
wow.
most of the movie. People, no, like this is. I know it's Kamforreall,
Wow.
but like, don't get yourself in a bind now.
Wow.
What is going on today?
I'm joking. So hi guys, it's me, Kamforreall's twin. What we are doing now is we're heading into Select Grocers by Millennium Mall, owned and founded by xoxo. xoxo, pick up yourself, and to Dimple. Yeah. Alright, so we're going in to find my favorite Oreo cheesecake. Right, this is the only place I can find it in Clarendon, so let's hope that it's here today because my birthday was yesterday and I deserve it. Right?
Period.
Right.
Period.
So we're heading inside. You know the light with the sky. Oh.
We can go do our own thing, you ain't got to follow them.
Facts, fam. It's crazy, bro. That's bullets in it.
How much is it today?
How much?
Doesn't say today. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
It doesn't. It doesn't.
Yeah. Top tier, guys.
Top tier, right?
Right out here at Select Grocers. This. Tell them that Kendra sent you.
People were coming to you live after the cashier. No, I haven't tasted this cheesecake, but what I can tell you is this cheesecake is on the upper echelon of society.
Inflation will kill it. The economy is going to the dogs.
Guys, you know how much I want?
$1,600 for this.
1,600 for just 2 of these.
It used to be 800,
Jamaica.
maybe 1,200 max. No, guys.
We need to do better.
Make Jamaica great again.
Please make Jamaica cheap again. I'm gonna try. We're gonna try. I'm gonna taste one on camera to tell you if it's worth it. Alright, bro. Justifying his parking, which is atrocious. But anyways. Actually not that atrocious. You know, you're kinda atrocious. Not bad. Not bad. You're not great, but you're not bad. That's not bad. Girl! A 625. You know Christy Sarah on TikTok?
Yeah.
The crazy lady? We kinda like her. Alright. This is how it's looking. Hold on.
It's cute.
Let me give them.
Don't deny. Compared to PriceSmart, this is a good size.
You know what they say? The proof of the cake is in the eating.
Who says that?
I'm saying.
Everybody says that. Well, I don't love Bring Me Down, okay? You have alcohol in there? Now hold on! Wait there. Take another slice. Not that bad.
Can't go on, man. Can't go on.
You can go on. Alright. Not $600 dollar can go on, but I get the pass for today. Not bad. Alright. I don't think you can see, but the car tire. Oh no, am I dropping that bottle? You not hear it?
Definitely, he knows. That you think.